Have you ever experienced that your turning indicator behaves like this? See? The sequence is like become more faster, which is mean on your right hand side, one of the light bulb is already gone. Normal. Spoil one. This is usually because of the bulb of your signal indicator has already blown off. And second scenario, it totally didn't have response at all, like this. And if this happened to you, it mostly is because of your signal relay is already spoiled. And today, we're going to teach you how to change your signal relay. Okay, so this is the place where the relay is. This one, yes. So now let's change the new one. Yep, so now I guess it's already solved everything. And there you have it, everything done. So if you like this video, do remember to subscribe to our channel. And that's all for today. Bye bye.